everyone, Jennifer here. Fall is upon us, it's rapidly approaching, and today I have a really fun review for you. I'm going to be reviewing the Mrs. Meyer's seasonal scents for fall for 2018, and they are now out, and there's 3 different scents, so I'm going to tell you which ones are my favorite and which one didn't quite make the cut for me. So let's get right into it. I have all of the scents with me right here, and I'm able to tell you about all of them. I've tried all of them, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. Let's start off with the pumpkin scent. This is a very realistic pumpkin scent. It's not sweet at all. So if you're used to the Bath & Body Works pumpkin scents, like pumpkin cupcake or any of those scents, it's not like that at all. It's actually very spicy almost and aromatic. So I don't know if everybody would like this scent. My daughter smelled this and she actually said that it smelled like an evil pumpkin. So I don't know what that means, but I can kind of see where she's coming from. So the pumpkin is not my favorite of the scents, but if you are somebody who likes true pumpkin scent without all the sweet gooiness that's usually associated with it, you might like this one. So it's just a bit spicy and aromatic, and it smells like a vegetable basically. So that is the pumpkin scent. But I don't mind it, and I have been using this, and it does smell like fall to me. So it does strangely smell like fall. So I have the pumpkin scent in the multi-surface cleaner, in the dish soap, and in the hand soap as well. I've been using the hand soap in the guest bathroom upstairs. So I'm kind of the only one who uses that because I don't know if the scent is that good for everybody. Next, I'm going to talk about the mum scent, and mum is short for chrysanthemum, of course, a very famous fall flower. And I only have the hand soap in this one, so I don't have the dish soap yet or the multi-surface spray, but I do have the hand soap because I wanted to review the scent for you. And this is absolutely delightful. Mum is really nice. It is sweet, and I do like those sweet scents in things. So it just smells like, it smells floral and very sweet, but just also like fall. Like there's like a berry in here too, maybe a blackberry scent. So I really do like the Mum hand soap. And by the way, the Mrs. Meyer's hand soaps are really great. They last a long time, and I love them. They have a great scent to them. Okay, so that's good. But I am saving my favorite for last. I mean, I love this scent so much. The Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent. Okay, this is so amazing, and I know I'm not the only one who thinks this. I think this is universally the favorite for this season. It is so true to the apple cider scent. It's just, I mean, picture yourself on a fall evening and you get a warm mug of hot apple cider, and it just smells appley and cinnamony and sweet and tart at the same time. They have captured it perfectly. So the apple cider scent is by far my favorite of the fall scent. So if you're going to get one of them, this is the one that I recommend. I absolutely love it. It's just perfection. They really captured it well. So I have the dish soap and the hand soap and the multi-surface spray here. And I'm trying to save these up for when fall really comes. I mean, I've tried them all, but I couldn't help myself. I cleaned the whole kitchen with the apple cider multi-surface spray the other night, and then I walked in the next morning and it just smelled like fall. It was so good. So I just wanted to give that quick rundown of the 3 Mrs. Meyer's seasonal scents for fall. So I got all of these off of Grove Collaborative, and Grove Collaborative is actually offering for their September special a free Mrs. Meyer's seasonal set. So you get to choose one of these. You get to choose either apple cider, mum, or pumpkin, and you get a dish soap, a hand soap, and a multi-surface spray, plus their Grove Collaborative's dish brush with the replaceable head. And that's a really high quality brush. It has a wooden handle, and I use it and I really like it. And you can replace the heads when they get dirty. So this is a wonderful way to try out the Mrs. Meyer's fall scents, because you can get them for free when you spend $20 with Grove Collaborative for the first time. So I got all of these on Grove Collaborative, but I think that you can also find them in other places. I think some people have mentioned they found the pumpkin scent at Target. So anyway, if you're out and about, you can go ahead and sample and smell those and let me know what you think. Which one is your favorite scent? Let us know in the comment section below. That is it for today's video. Thank you for joining me on the Daily Connoisseur for another episode of Natural Home with Jennifer. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!